Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble and install the pedestal that comes with the Sony X90K series TVs. You are able to do it two different ways, so we're going to go over both of those in this video. Your first step is going to be to lay the TV face down on a soft surface, and you will want a second person there to help you out with that part. So this is everything you would potentially need to get these installed. We've got the two pedestal legs, and then if you're going to use the soundbar setup, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver to rearrange those pedestal legs. If you're going to set it up in the low profile position, all you'll need to do is put them into the bottom of the TV. For the low profile position, we're going to take our first pedestal leg, and you'll see here it says SB1, and then on the left side when you're facing the back, you're going to see a number 1, indicating that this is the leg that goes into this side. So we're going to turn this around so that you can see this little arrow on the back here, or a little triangle, and that's going to slide in there. And you just push it up into place and you'll hear it click, and then there will be some resistance, but it's not going to pull out unless you put a little more force into it. Now we move over to the right side as you're facing the back, and you'll see SB2 on the other pedestal leg, and there's a little 2 inside the triangle here. And you're going to flip that leg around so that the little triangle with the 2 in it is facing you, and slide that one in just like we did on the other side. And you'll hear a click, and then it's installed. If you're going to be setting this up to put a sound bar below the TV, our next steps are going to be to take these 2 screws out from each pedestal leg. And then we're going to slide this up so that these holes match up, and we're just going to put the screws right back in. Once you've done that for both legs, we're just going to reinstall them exactly the same way as we did the first time, and now they're going to be a little bit taller to accommodate a soundbar. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process. There's not really many tools involved. It's just that Phillips head screwdriver in case you need to adjust this to the soundbar position. Otherwise, it's really straightforward. You're just sliding those pedestal legs in and you're all set. So thanks Sony for making that so easy. As always, we appreciate you guys watching our videos. Make sure you stay tuned because we'll have more coming up.